Hey guys, welcome back. Yep, got another one for you guys too. That big, huge white truck I was telling you about. And it is a former Sema truck too. But Superior Auto Sales has wound up with it somehow, some way. And don't worry, this is not it. But I've never seen so much vinyl wrap on a vehicle in my life. And this is thick. It looks like it's been wrapped twice. I mean, you can, it's yellow underneath, this black, and then was something else over it. I don't know if it was for some kind of advertising. But yeah, I'm going to walk you over and show you what I'm talking about. This one right here. This big thing. I can get a side view of it. This thing is monstrous. It is really, really big. I mean, it is a huge truck, Ford F450. It's a Sema truck, it used to be. Yes, there's a dent right there. They're going to fix that. What it's going to go for, I have no idea. So you will have to look at their website, sascar.com. But yeah, this one only has 5,500 miles on it. So it barely has anything for mileage on it. Anything. And the company for all the metalwork, I did find this before, Showtime Metalworks. Not familiar with them, but yeah, it's got a lot of LED, these lights in it, and you can tell. The truck in general is not cheap, but all the work that was done to it, yeah, definitely. These are nice thick bumpers. Those are nice and thick. Aftermarket headlights. They look like they've been painted to match the truck, but it is like a white pearl. In the light, it's a little hard to see. I know. Yeah, but it is a Power Stroke diesel. There you go. But yeah, everything in this truck has been painted and modified. Suspension upgrades, lift. Like those trailing irons right there, those are nice and beefy. Those are really thick. Those are all done by the same company. But if you look in here, you can see, they put the extensions on them. I mean, it's kind of cool when they're lifted this high because you can get in there and see everything. Thick, beefy rotors, suspensions. Wow. And there you go, Showtime Metalworks. So if you want to look them up, I'm not familiar with them. It's the first one I've seen with this, but like I said, this truck is a former Sema truck. It is a dually. And that dent right there, that will be taken care of. But yeah, I mean, this truck barely has anything on it for mileage. And they even put their letters in the tire. That's cool. American Force. I mean, the bumpers do have a little bit of yellowing on them. From what I have no idea. But yeah, it'll tow anything, I'm sure. Yep, all carpeted on the inside. This bed is big. And I highly doubt they ever use this for a work truck. You can tell it never was. The step for it. Yeah, the big girl. Well, let me actually look underneath here really quick to show you from the rear end. There is all the suspension for it. The air horns, brakes. Yeah. This thing is cool. Definitely a big truck. And you can see right in there the U-joints, drive shaft, all that. Everything that they had to do to upgrade this truck. The exhaust pipe. And I haven't even gotten to the inside yet. It's kind of cool when they're lifted this high because you can get underneath here and show everything. Oil filter, that's really easy to get to, which is nice. I mean, they even put these little touches on here too. Yeah, this truck has never seen snow. I can guarantee you that. Well, this was a Sema truck. It's only got 5,500 miles on it. But look at the spring on that. That is huge. So it's got some travel on it. Tow hook up front, sway bars, solid sway bars. Man. I'm not sure on the year of this one. Well, what I'm gonna do is open up all the doors on it really quick. So this way we have some light in it. Nice LED lights going all the way around. You can smell that leather. Yep, phone's ringing. I'm not home. But man, nice leather interior, wood grain touches, power everything in it. Power stop. One of the guys here, they're gonna take a vehicle out. So yeah, you're gonna hear noise. It's the weekend, business is still going. But yeah, this is a 450 series. This is nice. All your regular, wow, that deep. What this is for, I have no idea. I don't know if it's for tuning or what. But yeah. But it's nice and comfortable. Wood in the steering wheel. Oh yeah, there's some ports right there. It's weird because they have audio in there too. Audio and video. For what? I don't know. Maybe for right there? I'm not sure. Little storage compartment. But yeah, 4 cup holders. It has all these ones right here. You can see those. All your heater, your seat controls, everything in this. But like I said, this was never a work truck. This was a Sema truck. And I think they did all of it for the suspension and things like that. So yeah, this is a Super Duty. Little spot to stick your sunglasses. And it even comes with a pair. Show you the other side. Woo. Yeah, it's a big step down. Oh, getting into this is not too bad. It's got a leg room in it. A lot of leg room, actually. Rear defrost, power back window. Yeah, you could fit 4 big guys in here, easy. 5 if you have to. Armrest, cup holders. Yeah, this is a nice try. I like this color interior too. It's a mix-up of black wood and this kind of like a brownish leather. But it is really nice. Ugh. Man, not the easiest to get in and out of. But if you own a truck like this, you kind of do that going in. Yeah, I'm not stepping up into it. This way you can get a full feel for it. But yeah, the wood grain on this, you know, I don't think they came with this factory. I think these are kind of aftermarket. Because I know I have them in mine, and it definitely did not come with it. But that's okay. Tinted windows all the way around. Power seats. Yeah. Oop, remote for God no. Oh, obviously it's got some kind of LED lights underneath it. Huh. That's okay though. But yeah, power moonroof in it. It's definitely cool. Yep. There goes one of the guys that they're flying around, putting all their cars on their website. So I'm gonna jump down. Ugh. Whew. But yeah, this is definitely cool. All right, guys, I'm going to end this one here. I hope you like this video as much as I do because I love recording them for you guys. But if you do like this content, please leave a comment down below. I will definitely respond. And it does help if you give my channel a big fat thumbs up. But if you do leave a comment down below, I always respond to them. So in the meantime, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.